Aloha everyone, my name is Annie. I'm in Sydney at the moment and I'm traveling Australia for already like 3 months. And for the last month I was working on a sheep farm in the middle of New South Wales in the outback, and I was saving up money to buy my very first car here. And tada, I just found my camper van a couple of days ago on Facebook Marketplace. Today I just want to give you a little room tour and show you some parts of my car. I'm actually so surprised that I found a camper van that quickly, and I also just visited one car and it worked out. Like, I just found it immediately and I fell in love with it. I bought it from 2 German girls, and actually I think I have a lucky strike at the moment. If you have any questions when it comes to buying a car, just drop them in the comments. Maybe I will upload a video in the next couple of days, give you some recommendations, and if you want to buy your own camper van, yeah, stay tuned. Actually, I'm also terrible when it comes to pushing the price down, but the car had like some tiny damages from the outside, so it was pretty easy to push the price down. In the end, like the girls wanted to sell it for 10,000 Australian dollars, but in the end I got it for 9,000, and actually I'm like pretty happy with that price. I didn't really want to pay more than 10,000 Australian dollars for a used car, and this car already drove for 250,000 kilometers, so I think it was a pretty good deal. The rego is until the 17th of April, which is pretty good. I will be on the east coast by that, or traveling the Great Ocean roads. I have to refresh it at some point, but that's a problem for later. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the car now. So my car has 3 seats in the front, which is pretty comfortable for the passenger princess, and the girls also left me like one of their cuddle blankets. And this is my new surf hat. I think I just showed you that in one of my previous videos. And I really love this little koala here and all the shells. I think I will just leave it here. I'm not sure if this is an air refresher, but that's definitely one of the brands for the surfing bags. On the top of my car there's a solar panel, which is so handy for my van, honestly. I can just charge my phone and my computer and watch Netflix movies. And I didn't unpack this one, but I think it's a protection for the sun. And then I also have 2 surfboards on top of my car. One pink foamy, I just tried this one last time when I was at the beach. It was a bit small for me, but I think I will get used to it. And then I have a hardtop board over here, which I didn't unpack yet because, yeah, I'm sure I can't ride it by now. Yeah, and this is like one of the things which I didn't like about the car. So that was also one thing why I could push the price down. The girls said it's not from them, so they just bought the car like this, but yeah, still, I don't know. But it's alright. So when you enter the car, I just have 2 storage boxes over here and 3 storage boxes over here. Oh, I'm so sorry, it's already a little bit messy in here. I will put all my clothes in those 3 boxes in the next days. I hope this will be enough. And I found this guitar on Facebook Marketplace and bought it for 25 Australian dollars, which is pretty good. I just have to tune it. Yeah, I'm so keen to practice in the next weeks. The girls also left some of their leftovers here, so I have some soups for the next weeks and some pasta and some beans and some couscous, which is pretty nice. Then I've got my own fridge, which can be charged with a solar panel. And that's my queen size bed over here. Actually, I really love the bed. It's more comfortable than my bed in the Airbnb. It will easily fit 2 people, so if I sleep here alone I will have more than enough space. And then, yeah, the girls also left some of their books here. And at the moment I'm reading this one. It's actually pretty good if you're interested in swimming and diving. Yeah, but the other books are also really cool, so I'm keen to read them. Then I just found this buddy on Bondi Beach and I thought it's perfect for the van. Yeah, it's just my little travel buddy. And I also bought this little kangaroo because I'm so scared to lose my key. And I also bought some of those candles in Kmart. Actually, I think I will go there again today to buy some more stuff. I also have some disco fairy lights over here and some more over here, so I'm really keen for some cozy evenings in the van. And then there's like one thing which I didn't really like about the van, and that's this wall. It looks a bit messy. I mean, there are some magnets over here so I can easily pin some of my photos here, but I was also thinking about if I should just paint it white. So if you have an idea for that, just let me know, because I'm not really sure what color I should use for it. But yeah, we will see. I still have some time to make it a little bit prettier. Maybe I will also upload another video of that when I, yeah, pimped it up, tuned it up. I'm so in love with those pillows. They look so pretty. And then I also have one curtain here. I don't really like it. I want something else, maybe something prettier, which gives me a little bit boho vibes. But yeah, I mean, it's doing its thing right now, but it doesn't really look pretty. And then I'm gonna show you the backside of my car. Honestly, I can't wait when I'm parking next to a beach and can just lay here in the morning with my coffee and have such a nice view. I have some beach blankets over here which look really, really cool, and also something against mosquitoes, I think. Also, the girls left me some washing powder, which is pretty nice from them. Then I have a table and 2 camping chairs, which are also over here. And I also bought like some sun protection. And this is my mobile kitchen, which is so cool. Then I also have some pretty bowls over here for breakfast and some wine glasses over there. So I can't wait to try Australian wine. Also, I can't wait to cook some like dinners for friends and just sit outside and camp out. Honestly, this will be my highlight after the farm work. And you can also like extend the cooking place here, which is pretty cool, so I have definitely more than enough space. Then there's also a vacuum cleaner over here. Yeah, because I will spend a lot of time at the beach, so this is perfect. And that's the view from the inside. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you liked the little room tour. To be honest, I think I will change a couple of things in the next days, so maybe you will get an update from that. I would be more than happy if you would leave a follow here. Yeah, hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions about buying a van, I would be more than happy to record another video to give you some recommendations and hints before you buy a car. And yeah, stay tuned. See you in the next video, and bye bye.